Welcome to the Montana 4-H program. We are excited for you to be a part of our volunteer team. 4-H volunteers are the key to a successful 4-H program. You have the unique ability to provide life-changing opportunities for youth.
4-H is connected to Montana State University Extension, and it is one of the many programs offered to the community. Extension faculty and staff in your county extension office are here to help you be successful.
There are 3 types of leaders with Montana 4-H: a club leader, which is also known as the organizational leader, a project leader, and an activity leader. All leaders provide services to our youth and require a background screening with Montana 4-H. The club leader gives overall support of the club to help it function smoothly and maintain communications among the club families and the county extension office. An activity leader focuses on planning for specific activities at the club or county level. An example would be a leader coordinating the 4-H summer camp.
Project leaders work with members by planning and organizing activities to help them meet their 4-H goals. Don't feel like you have to be the expert. Youth can achieve personal growth and skills with your support through experiential learning, field trips, and guest speakers.
Your time is valuable, so make it work for you. Meetings can be held once a month or once a week for a few months. Aim for at least 6 hours of education during the 4-H year. More time can be spent as your schedule allows. Prior to engaging with youth, all adults must complete a background screening. After you are accepted as a 4-H volunteer, you can receive a list of youth enrolled in the project. We also recommend you create a meeting outline and a calendar of events for the year. Organization is a key to success.
Communicate your meetings with the organizational leader. If it is being offered countywide for all 4-H members, share the information with the Extension office so it can be listed in the newsletter. At the start of the year, call and email all the project members to introduce yourself and invite them to the meetings.
You're not in this alone. Create a leadership team of parents and teens to assist. There should be at least one other 4-H certified leader at each meeting. Together, your team can create goals and share the responsibilities. Each meeting should focus on teaching life skills to reach members' goals.
We instill in our youth the 4-H essential elements of positive youth development using the acronym BIG M: belonging, independence, generosity, and mastery. Under each of these elements, you will find the attributes to include in the project meetings.
It is through the essential elements that youth are then able to develop life skills, such as goal setting, character, leadership, and conflict resolution. These elements are highlighted through the experiential learning model of experiencing, sharing, processing, generalizing, and applying the information.
At your first meeting, take roll and welcome everyone. Review project goals and expectations. Together, brainstorm potential tours or guest speakers. Lay out the yearly plan and review project materials. After the meeting, reflect with your leadership team.
At the following meetings, keep it fun, engaging, informative, and active. Consider doing member demonstrations. Always leave time to reflect and have members record their learning experiences in their project journal, also known as a record book.
When planning for events that involve fundraising, traveling, going overnight, or doing a high-risk activity like skiing, sledding, or skydiving, contact your MSU Extension office. Certain events and risk release forms are required.
Additional resources can be found on the Montana 4-H and your local county website. You can find information on local, statewide, and national events, member and leader resources, and more. Thank you for investing your time for our youth.